Hello everybody, welcome to today's quick math challenge. Can you spot the pattern and find the missing number? Let's solve it step by step. Now let us add the given number. 2 plus 3 will give us 5, and let us multiply it by the first number. Multiply by 2, we get 10. Also, let us add the number 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Multiply it by first number. Multiply by 3, we get 21. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 equal to 9. Multiply by the first number times 4 equal to 36. Now the pattern is add the numbers and multiply by first number. So let us add the number 6 plus 7 will give us 13. Multiply by 6 equal to 78. So our missing number is 78. So the trick is simple. Add the numbers, then multiply by the first one. If you got 78, well done. Drop your answer in the comments and don't forget to check out more fun math puzzle on the channel. Thank you.